If darkness and light comes from invisible creatures that are spirits, that would mean the wind is a spirit, hate is a spirit, depression is a spirit. Once the people of the Most High begin to view the world in the correct perspective, they will begin to have greater victory over their enemies. Mental illness will no longer have a stronghold over the people's lives in these last days. The people will become equipped to fight against unclean spirits with the word of the Most High. Spirits are disembodied. That is why they are invisible. Our spirit is invisible. The Most High made us from both nature, visible and invisible. The flesh, our body, is visible. Our spirit that live in our earthly body is invisible. The Most High did many works on the first day of creation. Remember, Israelites, one day is equivalent to 1,000 years.